Good morning, guys, and I want to give you some training on your website. I hope you like it. I've made all the necessary changes, the bleed at the top there, and yes, as I said, I hope you really like it. So without further ado, let me just get into, so what you do is you go WP admin, and that will take you straight into your admin section over there. What you do then is you log in with the credentials that I'll give you, and that'll actually take you straight into your website. So you just remove, you can either remove like the WP admin there to go into your website from on the front end, and from here you can actually change whatever you like. So if we go in, enable our visual builder, and that allows us to actually do some editing. So I'm just going to quickly show you the ropes, and you can actually take it from here. It's very easy. If you want to, let's say you want to kind of edit something, you can then make this like bold, basically do anything you want, and then when you're done you just click on this purple little button and you go save at the side over there. So whenever you want to do a new section, you just go to this blue button and you do a regular section, and that'll then allow you to actually choose your columns. So for this demo, I'm just going to choose 2 columns, and this one I'm just going to go IM and then choose an image. So I want to do an image in there, and from here you can actually upload your image. Just click in there or drop the files in there straight in, or you can then go to your media library and then just choose an image from here. Let's just see what image I'm going to choose. Let's just go with the elephant over there. We're going to upload this image. There we go. And on this side, I would like to add some text. So just go type text just to make it a bit easier. So you can either either edit in here, or you can go straight into the text here. So I just want to take care of this. And then we're going to do a header first, and I'm just going to select the header and just go to this A, and I'm going to make this a heading 2, right? I would then also want the heading 2 to be right in the center, so I'm just going to click in there, and that's basically that. So if I want to go in and type a couple of words, I can then do that, and as I said, when you are done, you just go and click the save button. So we're not going to do that for now, so I'm just going to take care of this. Just delete it. You will notice that you can actually edit on your footer over here as well. So you can either go and edit in there, or you can actually select this little button over here, and then you can go and edit like this. So anyway, it's going to work, so whatever's better for you. Note that if you edit anything within your footer bar, it's going to be displayed throughout the website because it's a global footer. Okay, so let's just save that, and I just want to go into something else. So let's quickly go into, let's say we go into your contact page. There we go. And again, like I said, you just go enable visual builder. So that will actually then allow you to edit. So depending on your internet speed, this will either be fast or you can wait a bit for it. So if you want to add another section, let's say we're going to add another section. So I'm just going to choose regular, and let's say we want to do a couple of images real quick. So then we click on images, and over here we can do an image and put the image in there, go and select an image. There we go. Just note that on the link section, if you choose to open in a light box, this will actually enlarge the image when you click on it. So I do suggest that, and you can actually make duplicates of this if you want to. I'm just going to make duplicates of this just to save some time, and there you actually have your 4 boxes. So if you click in this little purple button, you'll see that there's a way for you to actually view the tablet view and then the phone view as well. That'll actually just give you an indication of how your website will look on a mobile phone, which is very neat. So there we've got our little blocks. We're not going to use that. It's going to take care of that. So I'm just going to go into gallery because that's actually what I wanted to show you. For your gallery, I've made a little template for you guys to actually just use. So this is your template. This will be your gallery template. You'll have the title that goes here, and then you'll have the gallery basically going on there. And from here, you'll be able to choose whatever image you want to see. If you want to edit that, go ahead and enable the visual builder. So I've actually made a template for you guys so that it makes it easy for kind of to add one of these. So I've already added one. Let's say you do another event and you want to add another one. All you do is you click on this little blue button and then you go to add from library, and you'll see in the library there's a little gallery button over here. You just choose the gallery button and that will add another gallery. So all you need to do to edit the gallery is just click in here. Obviously you would go and delete these images like so. Just go to this little trash can and just delete them, and just click on the plus sign to go and add them. And from here you can upload multiple ones. Just drag and drop them in here, or we can just go ahead and add a couple of ones. Let's see, let's say we add like 4. These 4 will do, and we select them, and that's basically it. So from here you've got all your images, and then you can just go and do a title 2 goes here, and then you go and save like that, and you're done. So that's basically the gallery section, right? So now you've got your event section, and then you've got your latest news. So these are all part of your post section. So here, for demonstration purposes, I've added 2 fake posts, and you will see that if you go into these posts, they are completely fake. So you can actually go and do your own. So I'll show you how to do one just now. So this is the latest news section, and then this is the events section, which would be more or less the same. It's just a different category actually. So the event section, if you can actually add everything from the post section. So let me go into the post. So all you do is you go new and you click on post, and that'll actually open your post section. So I'm going to quickly do latest news post, and then I'm going to do an event post, and I'm just going to show you the small difference that you have in there. So you can actually choose. Now let's say we're going to do a test post for the video, and then you've got 2 options. So you can actually go with the builder if you want, or if your post is going to have like columns or something like that, or you can go with the normal editor if your post is just going to have a couple of images and text. So I would suggest, so from here let's just go and publish this post, because I want it to show up, and then we go into the builder because we want it to actually look pretty awesome. We'll just go into our builder. Okay, now we choose start building. We can actually then choose what column we would like to insert. So let's go for like 2 columns, and the one we're going to do the image, and the other one would then, let's choose an image, and then the other one would be a text, and that will be your text. I'm not even going to edit that. So from here we can just go on and save. Just remember that if you're using the Divi Builder, you need to go and edit the post again just to add the thumbnail. So if you've done it from the back end, you would have been able to do that by now, but I mean, that's fine. So in the category section, you'll be able to choose whether this should be on news or this is an event. So I'm just going to choose news for now, and then I'm going to set the featured image, which will display on the front end, to let's do this one, and then we are done. So then we just update, and if we go to the front end, let's just go to the front, and we go to our latest news on there. There we go. There is our little post, and if we go into there, we'll see that there is our picture, and this is what we have put in there. So let's do another post, but we're going to do an event one, and we're not going to use the builder for this one. So for this one, we're going to say fake event, and then we're going to use the default editor, which would be this one. So from here, we can then actually just go and type fake event actually then. Right, so this is a fake event, and text over here, if you want to do an image, you can just click on here to add an image, and that will then allow you to either choose from the library again. So we can actually go, let's choose this guy, and then we can actually scale it like that, and we don't want any captions, so go and choose events over here, and then we need to add the thumbnail, which is going to be image over here, and we can just update this. And again, I think it's better to use the builder as it's much easier. It's basically something that we use. Okay, it's busy, it's updated, and then you can just click on view post to actually go and view the post, and that will show you the actual page where you've added these information on. So if we now go to the events section, we'll notice that we now have this event in the event section. I hope this helped you, and let me know if you've got any questions or you are trying to do something specific. I will help you with that.